Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your KuCoin trading password. First, log into your KuCoin account. Navigate to your security settings, typically under your profile icon. Find the trading password option. If not set, you'll be prompted to create it. Choose a strong, memorable 6-digit number, distinct from other passwords. This password is essential for all your trading activities and withdrawals, adding a crucial layer of security to your funds. If you've forgotten your trading password, don't worry, resetting it is straightforward. Go back to the security settings within your KuCoin account. Select the Trading Password section and choose the Forgot Trading Password option. You'll be guided through a verification process, typically involving a code sent to your registered email or phone number. Once verified, you can set a new 6-digit trading password. Remember to keep this new password secure and distinct from your login credentials. Protecting your KuCoin account goes beyond just a strong trading password. Always use a unique 6-digit code that isn't easily guessable. We highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA, using an authenticator app like Google Authenticator. This adds a critical second layer of security. Regularly check your login history and security settings for any unusual activity. Being proactive with these steps significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your funds and personal information. Remember, your trading password is a vital security measure. Never share it with anyone, including individuals claiming to be KuCoin support. It's a good practice to write down your 6-digit password and store it in a secure, offline location, like a locked drawer, away from your computer. This ensures you always have access, even if you forget. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and trade safely.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.